Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A3 car key battery. First, identify your specific key type, as Audi A3 models can have slightly different key fobs. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, preventing any tiny components from getting lost during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick battery replacement. Now let's open the key fob. First, find the small release button, usually on the side of your key. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob casing begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Gently pry it out using your screwdriver, being careful not to damage the contacts. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, insert your new CR 2032 coin cell battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Once reassembled, test all the keys functions, like locking and unlocking your car doors, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.